sun and wind. Among the tree species, coconut tree stands foremost in providing us with lots of good things like coir, used in making mats, ropes, mattresses, and leaves for thatched summer houses, religious ceremonies, and tender coconut to beat the summer heat, coconuts for cooking, and oil for health benefits. Nalika, the word synonymous to coconut, is a venture by a fifth-generation agriculturist who has set up this unit in his own farm with an extent of 150 acres near Palakkad at Gopalapuram village that comes under Kerala state. Kerala, known for its world-class coconuts and coconut-based products, speaks itself for Nalika coconut oil. The promoter has rich experience in coconut cultivation that is carried forward hereditarily from his forefathers who were engaged in farming for several centuries. This manufacturing unit is ideally located between Tamil Nadu and Kerala state border, with ample access from all towns and cities from both states. Apart from this prominent location, it is the hub of the coconut cultivation belt with abundant greenery all around that adds great foliage and cool atmosphere for agriculture-based industries with sumptuous raw material nearby round the year. Nalika coconut oil, which was produced and sold for bulk consumers for the past 20 years. It has ventured recently into the consumer market in order to share the benefits of this healthy cooking oil across to the people apart from the industry supply. Since coconut oil has rich source of varied ingredients that are naturally vital for well-being of people, Nalika justifies its entry into the consumer market segment to create an awareness about this wonderful cooking oil amongst the growing population of India in order to safeguard their health and to create a healthy generation for the years ahead. Coconut's journey from the healthiest coconut tree to pure and natural coconut oil in the frying pan is a fascinating story. Well-maintained trees are selected for harvesting. The matured coconuts are brought to the drying area, where it is dehusked and broken into two halves with expert handlers. Then they are screened for quality checks and only the right copra size is shortlisted and sent for drying in the open under direct sunlight. The flooring is laid with kadapa slab, which is ideal for natural drying. After a certain period of 3 to 4 days, the copras are removed from the shell and the copra kernel are now allowed to dry again for few more days till they are in the right stage for crushing. Here again one more screening of the copra is done in order to ensure the best quality of copras only are used for extracting the pure coconut oil. The next process involves transporting the copras to the crushing unit in the most hygienic way and deposited in the warehouse which is called dehumidification chamber before sending it for crushing. This is done in order to remove all the moisture that is in the copra to ensure long shelf life for the coconut oil. From this chamber, the copras are sent to the crushing point where they are sliced into smaller pieces for the convenience of better crushing and extraction. After the slicing stage, the copra pieces are carried into the roasting oven to the conveyor belt system, and there it is treated at 70 degrees temperature to make it very ideal for coconut oil extraction. The roasted copras are then transferred to the crushing unit in a steady process inside the expellers. The coconut is then sent into the filtration unit to ensure only the pure form of coconut oil is collected at the end of the process. The final stage of the journey involves pumping of oil from the ground level tank to the packing section, where it is packed using automatic packing machines, untouched and sealed with utmost freshness for the best aroma and unmatched quality of coconut oil in every spoon. This oil can be used for cooking and for external uses, especially for hair and skincare. Nalika is totally edible and healthy with all the natural properties like lauric acid for increasing our immunity system and to fight against diseases. Nalika is also absolutely free from any artificial additions of vitamins and minerals as claimed by other brands of cooking oil. Nalika coconut oil has abundant good cholesterol essential for our body. It also gives good nourishment to skin and hair the natural way. It also helps the body to stay fit and overcome everyday challenges of this ever-demanding world with ease. Some of the other benefits of coconut oil are: it helps in digestion, helps to prevent heart-related disease by reducing the bad cholesterol in the system, reduces the workload on the liver since it eliminates fat from the food, protects kidney functions and makes it free from stone formation. Coconut oil is a natural stress reliever when massaged thoroughly on scalp. It prevents dandruff formation and keeps hair glossy and lustrous. With Nalika, you're guaranteed for pure and natural quality of fresh coconut oil in your kitchen for healthy cooking. It keeps you bouncing with good health at all ages of your life.